Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Hello everyone. This is me, Alia Jaber, from the Palestinian School in Qatar. Today I'm going to complete for Grade 6, Unit 11, Exciting Things to Do. Our lesson for today in Unit 11 is Period 7, page 18, and we're going to answer also a question in page 19. Now, let's start the first question in our lesson today. Read and write. Look here, we have a table, and in the table we have 9 letters: A, I, L, C, S, O, R, V, E. And here we have another table, 2 letters, 3 letters, 4 letters. What do I want you to do? I want you to use these letters to write words. Some words 2 letters or 3 letters or 4 letters. Here as an example for you. They wrote some of them for you. 2 letters as, 3 letters car, 4 letters cave. 2 letters or 3 letters are 4 letters save. Now, 2 letters again is 3 letters ear, 4 letters sip. I want you to open your copybook, draw this table in the same way, 2 letters, 3 letters, 4 letters, and find as much as words from here and write them in the table. Before answering the second question, let's revise the punctuation marks. The first one we are going to revise is capitals. Where can we use capitals? We use capitals at the start of a sentence and at the start of a question. The second one is question mark. Where can we use it? We can use it at the end of a question. The third one is full stop. Full stop, we use it at the end of a sentence. Apostrophe. Number 4 is apostrophe. You remember apostrophe? We took it in the first semester. We use apostrophe for missing letters. Now, let's read some examples. The first one, have not. I will remove O and I will put apostrophe. It will be haven't. The same in do not. I will remove apostrophe. I will remove O and I'm going to put apostrophe instead of O and it will be don't. Now, let's answer this question. Write correct sentences. Let's see the example that they did for you. I've climbed never tree A. Is this sentence in the correct order? No. We have to write it correctly. And we have to reorder it. I've never climbed a tree. You have to start with I, after I apostrophe, and at the end full stop. Now, I want you to think about number 1, 2, 3, and about how to reorder them. Let's answer number 1 together. Never in the street skated I've. What's the correct order for this sentence? I've never skated in the street. You have to start I capital, then apostrophe, and at the end full stop, because I've means I have. Number 2, sailed I've in a boat never. What is the correct order for it? I've never sailed in a boat. you have to start I capital, apostrophe, and at the end, full stop. Used, I've never, and goggles, flippers. What is the correct order for it? The correct order is I've never used flippers and goggles. Don't forget, we have to start with capital, then apostrophe, and at the end, full stop. You can say, I've never used flippers and goggles, or I've never used goggles and flippers. Both of them are correct. Now, I want you to check your answers, check your spelling, and don't forget to start with capital and at the end full stop. This is the last question for today, and this is the last question in the unit. Read and complete the sentences. Check your spelling. Here I have 6 sentences. I want you to complete them with correct words. Be careful. The pictures can help you to find the answers. Now, let's do number 1 as an example. Have you ever swum with what? With goggles and flippers. Read it again. Have you ever swum with goggles and flippers? Now, think about the others. Let's answer 2. I have never sailed in a boat. I have never sailed in a boat. 3. Have you ever seen a bat flying out of a cave? 4. I have seen corals and the sunrise. 5. Have you ever watched the sunset and the stars come out? The last one about 2 animals. I have seen a hedgehog and a wild cat. Be careful. Hedgehog is 1 word, but wildcat 2 words. Now you can check your answers and you can check the spelling for them. Our lesson for today is finished. And also Unit 11 is finished. I hope it was easy for you and I hope you understood everything. Don't forget to study the new words in the unit and study the past participle form of the verbs. Thanks for listening. See you soon. Alia Jaber.